Tired of burgers that taste like cardboard and steaks that cook unevenly? Charcoal grills bring flavor, heat, and that smoky char you just can't get with gas, but only if you pick the right one. The wrong grill leaves you chasing hot spots, dousing flames, and constantly feeding coals. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 charcoal grills that deliver even heat, solid build, and real flavor, helping you grill better without headaches. So, without any delay, let's get started. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Charcoal Grill, a compact powerhouse especially suited for patios, tailgates, and small space grilling. What sets this grill apart is its fusion of portability and performance. Though described by many users as heavy but sturdy, it provides a build quality you won't often find in portable models. Its solid steel body and cast iron grill grates imbue it with the durability and heat retention more typical of full-sized grills. A major selling point is its adjustable charcoal tray, which lets you raise or lower the coals to dial in direct sear heat or gentler indirect cooking. That flexibility means you can sear steaks or slow smoke ribs. This grill isn't just about burgers. The lid-mounted thermometer and side vents give you respectable temperature control given the compact form factor. An efficient pull-out ash pan simplifies cleanup, a feature frequently praised in user reviews as making maintenance far easier than many competitors. Reviewers often highlight how efficiently it uses charcoal, low fuel consumption paired with excellent heat retention, even when pushing it for searing tasks. Plenty of cooks mention getting high temps quickly, sometimes pushing toward 550 degrees Fahrenheit or above with proper venting and load. The cast iron grates help hold heat and deliver strong sear marks, while the body's thickness helps resist flare-ups and stabilize temperature. That said, trade-offs do exist. Because it's built with weight in mind, it's less easy to lug around than ultra-light grills. Some users note that the lack of wheels or fold-down legs limits true portability. Also, while it handles light rain or grill sessions fine, it's not fully weatherproof. Storing it under cover is advisable. A few users mention the lid seal could be tighter for smoke retention if you plan to convert it into a mini smoker. Sliding in at number 4 is the Royal Gourmet CC1830 V30-inch barrel charcoal grill, a versatile backyard staple that balances grilling power, smoker capability, and generous cooking space. With about 627 square inches of total cooking area, including both the main grate and warming rack, it handles family cookouts with ease, letting you grill burgers and smoke ribs side by side. A major draw is its adjustable charcoal pan, which gives you 2 height levels. That control over distance between coals and food helps you dial in precise heat for searing or slow cooking. The CC1830V also features air vents on the lid and side stack that help regulate airflow, giving you a better chance at holding stable temps. A built-in lid thermometer keeps you informed without lifting the lid. Users frequently praise how ready to go this grill feels once assembled. It takes roughly 30 minutes to build with basic tools. Many also mention that it maintains a good balance between size and footprint, substantial enough to grill for groups, but still manageable on patios or decks. The wine color side table and front table are handy work surfaces, and the bottom mesh shelf keeps tools or extra charcoal within reach. Performance-wise, the grill earns respect. Owners report that meats cook evenly and carry a smoky flavor typical of barrel grills. The ash pan and removable firebox make cleanup much easier than many entry-level smokers, and the adjustable fire grate lets you dump ash without wrecking your fire. Of course, it's not perfect. Because it's built with thinner steel compared to high-end smokers, some users find temperature regulation a little finicky, especially under windy conditions. A few mention that the paint in the firebox or inside gets chipped faster than expected after repeated use, so a little care goes a long way. Also, the wood-painted side table is more aesthetic than heavy-duty, so don't overload it. Securing the number 3 position is the Char-Griller AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill and Smoker, a budget Kamado-style powerhouse offering versatility, heat retention, and serious smoke potential. Unlike traditional Kamados made of ceramic, the AKORN is built with triple-walled steel construction, which makes it lighter to move yet still capable of maintaining consistent thermal performance. One standout feature is its generous cooking area, roughly 447 square inches when you combine the main grate and warming rack. Enough room to sear steaks while smoking ribs simultaneously. The adjustable charcoal pan lets you raise or lower the coals, giving you more control over whether you want direct searing heat or gentle indirect smoke. Lid vents and side air intake dampers help fine-tune airflow and temperature control, a must for both high-heat grilling and slow and low smoking. Owners often praise its fuel efficiency and heat-holding capacity. Many report that once it's up to temp, it stays there with minimal charcoal adjustments, making long cooks less of a chore. Its compact footprint relative to ceramic Kamados also makes it more accessible for smaller spaces or backyard setups. The AKORN's affordability is another draw. Many see it as an entryway into Kamado-style cooking without paying ceramic prices. Still, there are trade-offs. Because it's steel, it doesn't insulate as well as ceramic Kamados, so in very cold weather you may see greater temperature fluctuations. The ash pan and firebox are known weak points where rust can begin if water and ash aren't cleared. Also, the press-seal lid gasket isn't as tight as premium models, so managing drafts during low and slow sessions demands a bit more attention. Taking the number 2 spot is the Royal Gourmet CC1 830S 30-inch BBQ charcoal grill and offset smoker, a versatile and value-packed option that lets you grill, smoke, and roast all in one robust setup. With a combined cooking area of 811 square inches, 443 square inches main grate, 184 square inches warming rack, plus 184 square inches in the offset box, this beast is ready to handle full racks, briskets, veggies, all simultaneously. One of the most compelling features is the offset smoker box that's securely attached to the main chamber, providing natural heat and smoke flow between firebox and cooking chamber. Use it to infuse gentle smoke flavor while keeping your main grill temps high for searing. The side access door and ash removal tray make it fairly convenient to dump coals and adjust fire without disturbing your food. Meanwhile, the 2-level adjustable charcoal pan gives you control over the distance to the coals, ideal for dialing in sear or low and slow temperature. A lid-mounted thermometer and air vents help with basic temperature tracking and airflow control. Feedback from the user community tends to praise its performance-to-price ratio. Many say it smokes beautifully, sears dependably, and holds up for casual weekend use. One user from a Home Depot review notes that while the grill performs well for grilling and smoking, it can require thoughtful management to maintain stable temps, especially given its lighter steel construction. Others remark that assembly is somewhat mixed. Some homeowners find it straightforward, while others note fit and alignment issues during build. Of course, there are trade-offs. The CC1 830S uses thinner steel than premium smokers, which can make it more prone to temperature fluctuations or warping in long, hot cooks. Some users have reported the paint or coatings inside the firebox deteriorating over time if not maintained. Also, the smoker lid gasket or seal isn't as tight as premium models, so leaks and smoke loss can be a concern during long cooks if you're not vigilant. Taking the top spot on our list of best charcoal grills is the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, a true icon among backyard barbecuers. With its time-tested kettle shape, rugged steel construction, and signature Weber performance, it consistently delivers excellent results for both novice and seasoned grill masters alike. One of its strongest selling points is the porcelain enameled bowl and lid, which resist rust, trap heat, and stand up to high temperatures. That means your grill maintains steady heat and sears beautifully. It includes an adjustable damper system at the top and bottom, enabling you to control airflow, temperature, and smoke profile, whether you're doing direct grilling or dialing it back for longer cooks. A built-in lid thermometer keeps things simple so you can monitor grill temps at a glance. The grill also features a high-capacity charcoal grate and a hinged cooking grate, allowing you to add coals mid-cook without removing all your food. Great for longer sessions. The locking lid and ergonomic handle enhance usability, while the one-touch cleaning system with the high-capacity ash catcher means post-grill cleanup is easier and faster. Feedback from grillers around the world often lauds its dependability and even performance. Many praise its ability to get very hot for searing, yet maintain low and slow settings for smoking pork shoulder or ribs. The Weber kettle's modular design also allows upgrades, like adding a rotisserie, smoker box, or extra side tables, so it can evolve over time with your grilling needs. Of course, no grill is perfect. Because it's made of steel rather than heavy ceramic, it doesn't retain heat quite as long in freezing conditions. It's also a single-chamber design, so it lacks the built-in, offset smoker capacity of combo units. But its versatility and strong cooking credentials make up for that for most users.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!